If you've ever wondered how to draw dotted lines in Microsoft Word, this video is for you. Whether you want to create a neat divider, make a form look more professional, or add a dotted line for signatures or design purposes, Word gives you a simple way to do it. And the best part is, you don't need any extra software or complicated tricks. In just a few steps, I'll show you exactly how to make a dotted line in Microsoft Word quickly and easily. If this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple Word tutorials just like this one. Let's jump in. First, open Microsoft Word and go to the document where you want to add the dotted line. Once your file is open, look at the top ribbon and click the Insert tab. This is where Word keeps a lot of the tools for adding objects, shapes, and visual elements to your page. After that, click Shapes. A drop-down menu will appear with different options, and from here, you want to choose the Line tool. Now, click and drag across your document to draw the line where you want it to appear. If you want to keep the line perfectly straight, hold down the Shift key while dragging. That makes it much easier to create a clean horizontal, vertical, or diagonal line without it tilting awkwardly. Once you release the mouse, Word will place the line in your document. At this point, the line is still a solid line, so the next step is to change its appearance. Make sure the line is selected by clicking on it. When it is selected, you should see the Shape Format tab appear at the top of the screen. Click Shape Format because this gives you access to the styling options for the line. Next, look for Shape Outline. Click that menu and then hover over or select dashes. Word will show you a variety of line styles, including dashed and dotted versions. From the list, choose the dotted style that you like best. As soon as you select it, your line will change from a solid line into a dotted line. If you want to make the line look better, you can also adjust its thickness or color from the same Shape Outline menu. That's useful if you want the dotted line to match your document theme, your branding, or the overall style of your form or worksheet. You can also click and drag the line again if you need to reposition it. And that's really all there is to it. In just a few clicks, you can draw dotted lines in Microsoft Word and use them for separators, decorative elements, or professional-looking layouts. This is a very handy skill, whether you're making business documents, school projects, or editable forms. If this video helped you, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss more helpful Microsoft Word tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.